Bonjour à tous! Today, let's have a look at the ordinal numbers in French. First of all, let's understand what are ordinal numbers. So, ordinal numbers are basically when we say first, second, third, fourth, fifth. That in French, these are ordinal numbers. Okay? So, how are we going to say that in French? It's les nombres ordinaux. Les nombres ordinaux. Starting with the first number, it's première. Remember this thing that this is the only ordinal number that needs to agree with the gender and number of whatever it is following. For example, if I want to say first car, so car over here, that is feminine in gender and singular, so it's going to be première with an extra e because it is feminine. If it's feminine plural, then we are going to add an extra s to it as well. Première voiture. In case of masculine singular, there's going to be no extra e and s. In case of masculine plural, it's going to be just one extra s. Alright? The same is not going to be there in case of the other ordinal numbers like second, third and so on. Second is deuxième. Deuxième. Troisième. Troisième. Quatrième. Quatrième. So are you observing the pattern that the, trois, quatre, it's just the same how we write. Right? How we write 2, 3, 4. The only difference is that towards the end we are adding I, E, M, E. So to make the numbers ordinal, we just have to add I, E, M, E towards the end. There are quite a few exceptions as well. I'll point out the exceptions as well in a minute. Cinquième, sixième, septième, huitième, neuvième, and dixième. Now, what are the exceptions? The first exception is whenever our number is already ending in E, as in 4, that is quatre. If it is already ending in E, then we are going to remove that E towards the end and then add IEME. Okay? The other exceptions are in case of 5, that is fifth. So 5 is just cinq, to that we have added a U. In case of neuvième, we are going to add V. The spelling changes a bit. And in case of dixième, we are going to replace the X of D with Z. So these are the exceptions. For 11 onwards, it's onzième. For 11 onwards, it's onzième, douzième, treizième, quatorzième, quinzième, seizième, dix-septième, dix-huitième, dix-neuvième, and vingtième. Now, there are several ways to write these numbers. For example, if I want to write troisième in French in the digital way, it's going to be like this, or it can be like this, or it can be written like this as well, and even like this. So these are the three ways to write troisième in French. The same way if you want to write deuxième, that is for second. Just replace the 3 with 2 and you're good to go. Très bien. I hope this topic was now easy for you to understand, and if it was, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!